1, 24, 25. This door doesn't line up. There's a gap here. So when this thing goes in, this and that doesn't line up. So if you put this piece of metal here, like that, then when this thing comes in, you can see that the metal is going to be high and this thing is low. So either we open that up, push this up and tighten it, or we have to make this lower to get in here. So I have to cut this metal wood in here. So one way or the other. So don't know what happened. Either this door wasn't straight, or maybe this opening is crooked. Don't know. Another possibility is opening all this up, angle the door, and then tighten again. So that's the other possibility.